We are here today in Manchester for our Minitab Insights conference. We're joined by over 100 delegates from various industries across Europe, as well as keynote speeches. We also have sessions by our own trainers and some hands-on sessions.
I really like all the presentations. It shows how to use the software, real-life examples, real production problems that I can relate to.
Really intrigued by Minitab 19 that I've seen today. I think the look and feel of the new sort of platform really engage people to use Minitab a lot more going forward.
My favourite part of the event today was a hands-on session where I was introduced to 3 softwares and I'm seeing how we can interlink them and use them together.
I wanted to experience the product. I wanted someone who knows what they're doing to tell me how to use it and to understand what the full capabilities of it are.
I liked how they demonstrated the software and how they actually showed you a real case scenario and how you can actually use that to try and incorporate into your own systems.
It's been interesting to hear the stuff about Rolls-Royce. They kind of use a similar format in their process analysis as I've used before, which has been kind of a bit of a morale booster really, to see that I'm kind of doing things a similar way to kind of other companies as well.
It's great to meet like-minded people who all have a passion to want to make a difference in their own business, and actually having discussions with other delegates about their own personal journeys on what they're trying to do in their organisations.
Today's Minitab Insights event here in Manchester has been incredibly popular. We regularly run Insights events on a global basis, so please visit minitab.com for more information on future events.